What's up, YouTube? ShakiTheGunGuy here, and today I am releasing my very first video. So if you could please do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, we'll get to the video. What's up, YouTube? Today we have a quick Glock 19 video, and I hope you like it. Let's get right into it. So this is my Gen 4 Glock 19. Let's get a closer look. And of course, while I'm here, I will show you guys. It is unloaded and there's no mag in there. Safety first. But again, this is my Gen 4 Glock 19. Now, a lot of people tell me that they love this gun. The reason why is because this is my self-defense carry weapon, and I keep a blue, if you see that, ETS mag, and everybody says they love the way the green and the blue fits together. I'll show you guys what it looks like, but I'll quickly take the mag out because this, of course, is my self-defense magazine, so it's loaded. But this is what it looks like. Nice Glock 19. I also have a red ETS 30-round magazine. Now, I don't usually or at all carry a 30-round magazine with my self-defense carry weapon. So this is just pretty much what I use to go to the range. Yep, that looks pretty good. And got a few mags. These are empty, but these came with the gun. Alrighty. And I'll show you exactly what I keep this Glock 19 in, and that's the alien gear holster for the Glock 19. This thing is super comfortable. I've had a couple of different holsters, and by far this one is the best. It fits very comfortably, and I'll actually show it to you guys. And now I'll actually show you guys what it looks like when I have my mag in it, because this is how I usually, carry. So I'll put that in there, and you may be able to see the little bulge right here. That's because I have a 17 rounder in there. If you carry your standard 15 round, it won't make a huge difference. And also, this shirt is it's a little snug. This is just a comfortable shirt, so don't mind this shirt. But if I reach up like this, you can obviously see that this shirt is a little bit, small. So get a better shirt and you won't see the thing, but you can barely see it when I have this little shirt. Again, I'll show you guys again. And this is the bag that it came in. My Glock 19 bag with the ETS sticker on there. ETS, I love you guys. And that's pretty much it for my Glock 19. Again, I'll show you guys. So it's not loaded at all again. Safety first. And thank you for watching the video. I appreciate you for your time. Like, comment, subscribe to ShakiTheGunGuy. Have a good day.